was how interconnected everything is, and if one thing falls apart, the entire thing collapses. So
all the things we learned in the NSC, in the sessions, we could come and implement it in the LC time. We could come up with a OS, we could come up with some awesome ideas which the TLs thought of, and I'm really very eager to go back to my LC and implement those ideas. There were many feedbacks in the sessions, and those were quite nice. But LC time is a time where you can actually come and implement those ideas. And yeah, I'm looking forward to go and become quite an idealist.
The session that Mrs. Meera Sanil handled today, not because she's an alumnus or not because she was an ISECer and she contributed a lot. I think it's got to the fact that she spoke a lot about global learning environment, which is the need of the hour. India is progressive. India needs ISEC. And ISEC is a felt need by countries all over the world right now. We are going to see a world where the developing countries are going to overtake the developed countries in a very short span of time. The way she connected her internship experiences with her professional growth was, I think, the major takeaway for me. And I am empowered today, and I'm definitely going to go on an exchange program, and I'm going to raise my form as soon as I am done with this conference. Thank you so much.
My favorite session was the Day 4 session, which was taken by the ADOS for the team leaders. Well, there were fictitious local committees, but the ideas that we collectively came up with were original, and I believe that if we implement them upon ourselves and our local committees, we and our local committees gonna attain the vision of 2015 of ISEC India. Was it fine?
And regarding my LC, now that I've learned so much and all, it'll be the best thing for me to do is to go back and implement these things back in my LC and help it grow. Not only the LC, but again, the goals are everywhere, and help ISEC India achieve those goals. Thank you. Thank you.
The engagement with ISEC as an experience and marketing enabler, which struck to me personally, was that this could be used as a very effective tool to reach out to many more number of people.
I think Youth to Business Forum was very relevant to today's scenario in our country. Why I personally loved it was because Mr. Ronnie Skruwala subtly touched on the aspect of rural engagement. Even though we all understand that India is an economy dominated by the rural sector in many ways, we've never really made our efforts to make it more relevant amongst the youth. And the things he mentioned flowing down to the EDGE session, which had someone from Milap, which focused on microfinancing. I think initiatives like these are very relevant for the youth of today, and how they will relate to ISEC is because what we are doing is very much similar to those points and those initiatives mentioned by them. And if we can expand the way we are planning to and do things which we are planning to, not only will be more relevant in today's world, but we will also be able to achieve our 2015 goals.
Go. Okay, so the best part about the conference was the development blocks, because everything, like all the sessions related to it, the commissions and everything were related to the development blocks, and I feel that it is because of those blocks which the MC came up with, we have a better perspective for Q4 and also 2013 and also the goals that we can reach for 2015. So I think, yeah, development blocks especially.
Experience delivery and program evaluation, there was one session that touched me entirely in my 2.5 years of ISEC experience. It taught me, it was an eye-opener. It gave me value of experience. It increased my value towards the programs that are there. It changed my mindset. Firstly, I was typical. I have changed it to individual, where I promised to take program delivery efficiency into my LC in a very, very great manner, and that's it. Thank you.
There's something that always motivates you. Just think of that one person, just be like Harry Potter, and just Expecto Patronum.
If this was the last dance of the night, will you join me till